Subscribe Smartic Magic's channel and hit the bell icon beside it, and on the bell icon select all to watch latest tech videos before anyone else.
Hello friends, myself Darshan Kumar Das. Once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Smartic Magics. In this video I am going to show you how to record bokeh video, that is background blurred video like this using your smartphone. So without any further delay, let's begin. So friends, to make bokeh videos, at first you need to download B612 application from Google Play Store. So let me search here B612. As I've already downloaded it, so I am simply going to open it. But before opening, let me show you which video I am going to convert it into a bokeh video, or better to say make it as a bokeh video. Now this is the video footage that I have just shown at the intro. Now I will convert this video to a video like this that you have just seen in the intro, that is in this way. Here you can see background is perfectly blurred, as you can see. So to make this type of video, how to make it, I'm going to show you that. So at first open B612 application. So let me open B612. It's opening. Okay, so now simply click on edit. Click on the video footage that you want to convert it into a bokeh video, or better to say make it as a bokeh video. I'm selecting this one that you have just now shown. This is the video that I am going to convert it into a bokeh video. Now simply click on AR filter, then tap on this option, and you can see the background is perfectly blurred. You can also adjust the blur level from 50 to 100, or even you can adjust it to less than 50, but less than 50 doesn't make any sense because it's not blurring at all, or even if it's blurring, its blur level is so low that it's almost negligible. 50 is the minimum perfect blurring, but for now I'm keeping it as 75. It's looking great. So now just simply click on save. The video is saving. For this video it will take only 100 seconds to save it completely. I mean to render it completely. It's rendering. So the video is perfectly exported. You can also do many other things using this application. Let me show you the glance of few of those things. Also you can use this filters like this, which is used to beautify yourself. This filter, this is also a kind of beauty filter. This and many more. So yeah, this is how you can make a background blurred video using your smartphone. Let me show you the edited footage also. This is the footage that I have just now edited as background blurred video, or bokeh video, whatever you would like to say. So this is how you can make bokeh video using your smartphone. So thanks for watching. Here in this video I have shown you how to make bokeh video like this using your smartphone, thereby using your B612 application. If you like this video and find this video helpful, then please hit the like button. Like target is only 50. Please help me to complete my target. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and tap the bell icon beside it, and on the bell icon select all to watch my latest videos before anyone else. So once again, thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, and goodbye.